It's Wednesday, December 29th. I'm just showing you I'm buying DDOG here at 179.25. And this is a strat-based trade from two standpoints there's a confluence here, both what I look for and the very, typical strat formation on the daily chart, which I'll show you in a second, with some good confluence on the weekly chart. You can see here early in the session, this is the 15-minute chart. DDOG went 2 down, 2 up, and it's moving above yesterday's close, the yellow line, and starting higher here to try to take out some of yesterday's red bar. And so we'll see first if we can get above the midpoint of that bar, which would start a 50% rule since we took out the lows to start the day, and head higher, although I'm not necessarily anticipating that given how weak the market is. You can see on the daily chart, we have the big red bar, so we'll see if we can. I think we should at least test the 50% area. That's really what I'm looking for first, and then we'll go from there. But the important thing here in terms of the strat and the reversal is that you can see here this big red bar and today's bar combined broadened out these 3 little bars here. So, and if you look at the 3 bars here, we had 3 little tails. So that's taking out stops for those 3 days combined, which wiped it all out here in the morning. And now we're reversing up early in the day. And once we took out these 3 bars, there is support here in the middle, this vacuum area here in the middle of the big green bar. So if you go to the weekly chart, that just aligns with the uptrend currently in place as prices kind of come down and is curling back up to hopefully attack these highs. We're just kind of holding the midpoint of this green bar, which a lot of times in a given week, you might have a green bar, you'll come down for a day or two and then reverse it by the end of the week and have, another green bar. We're already in 2 up phase, but we just kind of pulled back for a day. So that's kind of what I'm playing here, is that this was just a 1-day pullback, and then we wiped out these stops early in the day, broadening out on that's the key strat principle, the broadening action here to take out stops in an otherwise uptrend. And then for me, because I look for action early in the day, we had the 2 down, 2 up 15-minute chart that, broke the intraday high in yesterday's close right near the open. So this should be the low of the day. The way I look at it, it aligns with the other strat concepts that I presented, and I think DDOG is a good opportunity to go higher today.